Mommy. Mommy. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Very hot now. What time now, guys? 12:30 p.m. I'm finished all doing, guys. I'm going my cat cute. Uy, mauna ka na. Mauna ka na, dali. Dali. Akyat na, akyat. Akyat na. Akyat na. Akyat na. Sige na. Sige na, maukit. Maukit na ka. Hindi mo alam ng Tagalog ah, Kapampangan ka. Maukit na ka, dali. Das na, maukit na ka. Ano, hintay natin. Pasko, New Year. Ha? Pasaway? Ako na mauna. Ako na mauna. Ako na mauna. Ha? Sige na, akyat na. Akyat na, akyat na. Sige, dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Ha? Sige na, akyat na. Dahan-dahan. Next. Where are you? Why are you not waiting me? Kainit, guys. Snow White. Oh my goodness. Very hot, guys, in the Philippines. My goodness. Woo! Payi. Very, very hot. Where's my cat cute? We're going to... Hey! What's happening? Got something to hear. What's that? What's that? Ay! The one cat. My goodness, the dog here, oh. Hey, very hot, guys. Ooh. Very hot. Good afternoon, guys. Hungry? Ay, kaya ano hinihintay? Snow White. Yung puti po nagiging itim sa alikabok. Huwag mo sakalin. Huwag mo sakalin. Makagat ka, wag kasi. No, kagatin mo yung buntot. Oh, it's very hot. Hungry? Hungry yan? A little bit because far away market. Your food is rice, not cat food, huh? But you taste it. Sus, wala na. Hindi po sila sanay sa lalagyan, guys. Sanay po sila sa labuan. That's enough. That's enough. Very hot afternoon, guys. That's why my skin very, very black. Hey, baka kinain na yung pagkain doon. Wait lang, baka inubos na yung binili kong pagkain. Wait a minute. What's happening over there? Mami. Ay, tinapat nila yung pagkain. Ay, move. Wala kayo talagang magawang magaling. Ha? Wala kayo talagang magawang magaling, ha? Ha? Ano kayo? Hold upper? Akyat ba, Igang? Ha? My goodness. Ano yan? My goodness. Food cat cute. Wala kayong disiplina, ha? Ha? Wala yung going to report. You have no discipline, ha? Kaya pala, muntik nyo na maubos to, ha? Pasaway kayo, mga dog kayo, ha? Far away market. Ha? Far away market. Ha? Tira pa kayo. Ano? Talapakin nyo? My goodness. Lubos.